Hi everyone, I'm Yvonne McAtamney. I'm a patchwork and quilter, and what do I do the rest of the time? The rest of the time I actually own and try and manage Village Fabrics in the town of Wallingford. How did I start my sewing and journey? Well, I've been sewing since as long as I can remember. I started out dressmaking with my mum and my big sisters. And since then, I've tried my hand at most things and have finally ended up with patchwork and quilting. And I think that's probably due to one of Eleanor Burns' Quilt in a Day books. Let me assure you, you don't make a quilt in a day. But it's been a passion of mine for the last 25 years, and I'm still at it, so there's hope for us all. So what do I enjoy sewing? Well, I like to do a bit of most things, to be honest, but my favourite thing is anything to do with my Japanese fabrics. So as you can see, we've moved to a different part of the shop, and here we are in another of my favourite corners. And I really enjoy combining the lovely Japanese fabrics with some hand stitching and hand quilting. So I've moved to the permanent Christmas room at my shop here, and as you hopefully can tell, this is quite a large shop here, so most of my time is involved in keeping this running successfully. So I don't really have a lot of time for claims to fame. So what I suppose I could say is that my claim to fame is actually managing to manage John Scott. I'm sure he'll take that the way it's meant, so love you lots, John. My top tip is that children's colouring in books are a really valuable resource whenever you're crafting. You've got nice, clear outlines that can become templates for your applique work, or you can transfer them and use them as quilting patterns. I can't draw, but I can create lots of things using bits and pieces from things like children's colouring in books. Give it a try.